This is the Triton T80 Pro-Fit. We're going to look at changing the solenoid coil, which we will identify as being faulty. If this happens, you will get no water coming out of the shower. Okay, so first off I'm going to isolate the electricity. Here we go, and then we'll remove the cover. Okay, the solenoid coil is this brown coloured coil on the top. It has two connections, a live and a neutral, and is quite easily removed. What we want to do first is quickly have a look with our meter and see if the coil is working or not. So this one is, but for our demonstration today we'll pretend it's not. Normally if it's not, it would give you an open line or open circuit reading on the meter. If you've got a reading between 3.5 and 4.7 kiloohms, then it's going to be okay. Okay, as I said, for our purposes today, it's not. So what we'll do first off is remove the two connectors with a flat bladed screwdriver. So this is what we're going to use today, so all we need. And then we'll just move this one as well. Just pull them off and move them out of the way. Okay, what we need to do is make sure we can get this coil off. So in order to do this, we would then just fit the screwdriver blade between the coil body, that bit there, and the solenoid coil itself, and we would just twist through 90 degrees. And as you can see, just there, the coil moves off of its stops. Once that happens, we can take a firm grip of it and just wiggle it and pull it forward at the same time towards yourself. That just leaves the body. Okay, what we would do then is get the new coil, which also comes with the body, but all we want to do at this stage is do the same operation as we did with that coil there, and just remove this from the body because we don't need the body. We then offer this back up in the same orientation as we took it out, and it will lock in. As you can see, we will replace the two connections, and that's your solenoid coil changed. Pretty easy. Just to make sure, we'll go across this, and we've got about 3.46, so that's fine. That should work. All that remains now is we will replace the cover, put power back on, and we can see and fire up the shower. And as you can see, shower's working fine, water coming out. That concludes the tutorial on the Triton T80 Pro-Fit. For any more information on the Triton T80 Pro-Fit or any other shower in the Triton range, please visit our website or our dedicated YouTube channel.